Should I have my home inspected? Why is it important? Do I need to make repairs? In a state where selling your home as is an option that most sellers take, it's no wonder that homeowners question if inspections are necessary. My name is Darlene Perry, San Francisco Bay Area real estate agent with the Genesis team, and today we are covering the topic of home inspections with my good friend Barry Saugen of Saugen Inspections. Thank you for joining us today. Let's kick off the conversation with a basic question. What is a home inspection and why is it important?
Hi, Darlene. Thank you for having me. A home inspection is a general overview of the home. It's sort of like, not specific to a certain area, but it'll cover your electrical, your heating, your structure, roofing, attic, crawl spaces, your kitchen appliances to a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detectors. A lot of health and safety issues, repair items, and even some items we just suggest you keep an eye on.
That's good. Now, how do you differ a property inspection from a termite and a roof inspection?
Okay, so a termite inspection is basically anything that will destroy or eat the wood. So like a fungus, your wood destroying insects, which are termites or carpenter ants, carpenter bees, those kind of things. And beetles, there's all kinds of things that destroy the wood. The roof inspection is specifically just the roof. They generally look at the top of the roof only, and they'll make their inspection and recommendations from that point. Where we're trying to give that general overview of the home, with the home being, the insides, the outsides, the garage, and as I said earlier, all the different appliances, attic, crawl, those kind of areas.
Gotcha. Now, do you recommend that sellers or homeowners do supplemental inspections, such as termite and roof inspections?
I always think it's good because they specialize in those areas, and it's something that will strengthen a situation from a general inspection of a home inspection. Just using a roof, if the roof is bad, the nice thing about the roofer is he can turn around and give you a price or a cost also to replace or repair the roof. Same with the termite company. Home inspectors in the state of California cannot give pricing.
Gotcha.
So there's no way to give a bid on something like that.
What types of repairs should a seller or homeowner consider fixing before they go to market?
Well, for example, we did the inspection here at 197 Hurlong a little while ago, and they were willing to do some work, and they fixed the spa. The spa cover wasn't locking, and the banister railing at the top of the stairs wasn't totally complete, and they fixed that. The reason I think that it's really good, not only to sell the home, but during the process of selling the home, is that if you have, say, a small child that comes with buyers and the realtor, and they're enjoying looking at things about the house and they're very happy, but that cover isn't latched, they can actually, some of these kids can climb up inside there, the cover closes on them, you don't know where they're at, and of course that could be a very bad situation. As with the top of the stairs, if somebody were to trip or something, looking at the homes, they're not really paying attention, they're enjoying the house, and they don't have the railing. The fact that they fixed those two things, I think, is really a very positive thing for both the seller, for their liability, but also help the sale of the home.
Gotcha. Now there's one more question, and I've done several inspections with you, and there's one thing that you always close your inspections with. You say, I have one favor to ask you. If you have any questions, just ask.
Yes.
So, how do people get a hold of you if they have questions about the information you've provided?
We're always available by phone. My office manager, Stacy, handles all that. That number would be 408-348-2262. And we have a website at calinspector.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Barry, for giving us this information.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or need more interesting real estate topics, subscribe to this channel because I'd love to keep you connected. Thank you so much. Have a good day.